I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
Number one, Fidelity is using Get Off Zero. So it's time for us, the Bitcoiners on Twitter and on YouTube, to stay one step ahead. We can't be using the same thing Fidelity is using, okay? Number two, the math just makes sense. Bitcoin protects your purchasing power daily on average. Bitcoin goes up daily on average. Fiat, USD, loses to goods and services daily on average, okay? Number three, all the tools are now available for you to use Bitcoin as your base money. You don't have to use an ACH portal at an institution that only uses dollars. You need to call up your bank. I call them ACH portals. Like think about the screen on your computer, okay? Think about the screen on your phone. What does it do? It allows your paycheck to come in, and then it also pays maybe 3, 4, 5 bills that you can't pay with a card, okay? That's an ACH portal. All that place does is connect you to the ACH network. There's now half a dozen Bitcoin apps that will connect you to the ACH network. Get on Zero simply means you don't have to hold fiat any longer than you physically have to anymore. The time frame with which Bitcoin is better savings, right? We all know that. Bitcoin is better savings. So we think about that savings for the future. It is slam dunk the way you save for 20 years down the line, right? But if you're saving your paycheck from Friday to use it on Sunday, it's the time with which we can use fiat is shrinking. You can use dollars for those too, and the math just makes sense. Even with paying capital gains taxes, you will still come out wealthier because the math just makes sense. If you hold a higher amount of sats per day, on average, you will end the year with higher purchasing power than doing it in reverse.